Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day this video. I just want to vlog what I've been doing over the past couple days here. You guys see I have one of my open air test bench PCs here. It's basically a PC. It's not a mining rig. It's just a singular GPU, which this is an RTX 3090 coupled with one of my 5950X CPU motherboard combos I got from RetroMic and Chump Change, whom I traded and bought for. And then I got a 1200 watt power supply here. A bit overkill for the 3090s, but some of you may know I brought over a bunch of power supplies from my open air mining frames that I had sitting for over the past couple years. So I'm now utilizing these power supplies for these builds, which is on Salad right now. I know that's the hot thing right now, and I know it's really nothing to do with crypto mining, but I'm just gonna talk about why I'm building all these things. And just to show you, okay, don't mind the 20 GPU rig, okay? Don't look at that. Don't even talk about it. I bought a bunch of 64 gig memory kits just off Amazon here, and I've been populating them with also 1 terabyte NVMe's, okay, on these types of frames. So I bought a few more frames on Amazon. They're about $35, $40 each. Link down below if you guys want to see the frame that I bought here, just open air style. The reason why I bought these, and I'm not gonna go all computer cases or something like that, is simply because these types of rigs are gonna be running, I guess, 24/7, right? And the GPU, which this Salad rig here, which we did in a live stream, you guys really enjoyed me struggling, but we finally got it on. We had an issue with the RAM stick. I just took it out, reseated it in another slot, the 2 and 4 DIMM slots, and it seems to work. But the reason why I have these all in open air frames is because the power consumption for these, which I did see this rig go up to 500 watts at one point when it was doing a Salad container. Okay, right now I do have a $5-ish container, and this rig here, it hasn't always been making $5 a day. So actually the past 24 hours I only earned about $2.22 in the past 24 hours. So it was earning, but it was not earning a container. And so I believe I know the issue is because the past day or two there was an update from Salad 1.5 to 1.5.7. So I updated it. There was a prompt here that did it, and now I have a $5 container. Another thing I did was also update the NVIDIA driver. Okay, NVIDIA driver to the latest version. I was reading the Salad Discord, and one of the Salad members said, this might help with, getting the Salad container much faster. I don't know if it actually does that, but I know there are some people saying the older NVIDIA drivers was better for compatibility. But now I download the latest one, and we're just, it seems to be working just fine. So I'll keep you guys updated in another video. So yeah, with all this stuff here, I'm still building a bunch of rigs, I got a bunch of these Thermalright X120 CPU coolers. I bought these a while ago, I think Black Friday, and you guys all know the motherboards here that I have to get set up. That's what I've been doing here over the past day or so here, just getting these online, as I'm now motivated by the fact that, we can earn a good amount of money. So I'll explain that in a second. I just want to take note here, I did something very stupid, okay? So I took out a Ryzen 5950X off of this motherboard. I believe it was Chump Change or RetroMic's motherboard here. I took it out and I accidentally hit my camera. And you can see here, you can probably see it, you can probably see it on the video. I bent a pin at the bottom here. Okay, you can definitely see I bent a pin there. So extremely bent, okay? Just wanted to show you guys here like that. Look at that right there. It's something I do not know how to bend this back. I don't have the tool, or if there's a specific tool to do that. If you guys know, let me know. There's a couple pins here that are bent on this 5950X. So I can't believe I did that. Okay, so Bitcoin right now is 65,400. So it's been going down, and a lot of people have been getting quite negative on the market. But I'm gonna tell you guys, stay strong, stay positive. This is the time to just buckle down and try to accumulate still. Hopefully good times are ahead, not financial advice, of course. Okay, so I'm using Google Remote. Okay, I just set up the other rig on the first shelf that was over there, okay, the one that's sitting right there. Okay, I set that up, and I'm using Google Remote to access this rig. Look at how cool that is. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Anyways, did some of you guys have issues with Google Remote? I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, I'm not using Internet Explorer or anything like that, but I'm using Google Chrome, and sometimes it's very slow. So I ordered some HDMI dummy plugs, okay, and I'm gonna get those installed on all of these because I obviously don't want to have a monitor plugged in on every single rig. So Google Remote was something that I learned from the Mining King and Brandon Coin. A lot of these guys use Google Remote to remote into these, systems. But let me know if HDMI dummy plugs has helped you guys in order to have it, acknowledge or just not freeze in the Google Remote web GUI here. Okay, so I just turned on this rig. It looks like it's got a $3-4 container, and currently the memory usage, if we go here, it shows WMMEM WSL. Okay, so it looks like it's like 2 gigabytes usage at the moment, okay, for this 3090 rig, okay, and I know it just started, so I know maybe an hour or two later it's gonna start using 500 watts, okay, so this is where, once I set up all the CPU rigs, which I'm gonna have maybe about 10 in total, okay, about 9 3090s and 1 3090 Ti, I'm hoping to plop them all on the bottom rack here, and I'm gonna designate this PDU, okay, for, I guess, salad. And I'm probably going to remove all the KS0 Pros, Evergreens, and everything else here that I don't really want to run anymore. All this other stuff. I'm going to keep track of the kilowatt hours that this thing is going to take, okay? So I'm going to reset this PDU, and I'm going to, keep track of how much power, how much kilowatts that this thing is going to use. So under energy, okay, this is where I can keep track of this, and hopefully I can, I don't know, how can I reset the energy here? All right, I'm gonna have to search that up. I'm gonna have to search that up later. Anyways, that's my plan. Once I have all the, the systems online, I will then figure out roughly how much power I've been using. I did some math. I mean, if I'm using 500 watts, I guess 0.5 kilowatt hour in an hour, then I times that by 24, and at my electrical rate here of about 7.5 cents, then this thing should use about $1 a day in electricity if it was pulling 500 watts full time on salad. So that's $1 a day. But if I'm making $5 a day on salad on a singular rig, that's obviously making me like $4 profit. Of course, salad does have a 10% fee, okay, when you withdraw to PayPal. All right, so you can do that. I'm not going to do gift cards. I'm just going to do income because my whole plan is here. Okay, let me explain here. One of the big reasons why I'm doing all this is that if I'm going to get paid in fiat for these 10 rigs here, if I'm going to be getting about $50 US, then I could then in theory use that money to offset the electricity usage and be able to hold the crypto from my mining rigs that are currently mining, like my 3070s. I can hold all the whatever coin that I'm mining right now, which is actually Zealous, and you guys know my open air mining cave tower. These are mining all various coins. I'm actually already holding these for long term anyway, but also my, I don't know, ASICs as well. So that's why I'm kind of diversifying my whole set here of having these 3090s, which I really wasn't running anyway, so that I can, earn some income on these 3090s, okay? So I'm gonna take the other 3 3090s those are already set up. I have another 6 3090s and then a 3090 Ti I need to set up and build for these rigs, which I really like. I really like these open air frames. It looks really cool. Really cool. It's also very light as well. Easy to move around, modular, and yeah, it's great in a way. So all right, my friends, that's it. I just wanted to do an easy vlog just to let you guys know what I'm up to. And yeah, I'm having a lot of fun building these rigs and getting some earnings here. Oh, looks like this one's up at $5.27 now. That's pretty good. That's pretty good for a 3090. Okay, my friends, I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out.